Hi guys, my name is Apoorv and today we are doing an SEO audit for Repoflow requested by James C100 on Reddit. This is the website. Make repository management simple. And the audit has been done already, so I'll just give you an overview of what we have done. A big disclaimer before we move forward is this website is almost zero. They have zero traffic, almost zero DA, zero keyword stand, and zero index pages. The problem is, so I'll tell you, if I'll just copy this part and go to Google doing this, we have nothing. Second, we have nothing. And this is, I mean, this is pre-basic. So what I could do in the audit part, I've done my best. But yeah, let's go. Let's move forward. This is the current SEO performance, which is consider almost none. Okay. Then comes the technical SEO audit part. So I saw this is one big error, which is href language. And a very simple solution is to put this code in the header part for each of the pages. So for example, for this page, self-hosting deploying, you'll have to put this tag in the header. Similarly with robots.txt, the entire file is good, but there was no mention of sitemap. So I just included a sitemap right here. Then there was no schema, so I've recommended the organization, product, FAQ, breadcrumb, and review schema. Then the content audit part. So as per this sitemap, this was the website structure. Home, pricing, privacy policy, terms of services, comparison. This is what I'd recommend. Home, features, sub features, use cases, pricing, blog, documentation, sub documentations, case studies, comparison, about, contact, legal, sub legalities. Then comes the content relevance part. So, content relevance is basically what your current website is signaling to search engines. For example, if I look at the most common used one words, these are packages, Repoflow, reliable indexing. Two words are handle thousands, reliable uptime, lightning fast performances. I just revamp the entire thing into something which, I mean, I'm not saying that you have to target this exactly, but this is what you should look up to. So, repository, management, search, cloud, these are the one word keywords that should be used more often. Then comes the two-word keywords, then comes the three-word keywords. Then here's the 1 month content strategy. You can just go through all of it. I'll just put the link of this entire documentation in the description below. I'm doing a YouTube video after a long time, so yeah, I'm fumbling. Okay, so this is it. I don't have enough data to do anything else on this. So yeah, best of luck.